This is me being stupid in a washing machine. That's all I'm going to say about it. Oh my God. Oh.
Here we go. Here you go. I'm busy.
What are you doing?
Don't stop. Here we go. I'm upside down. This is a pain.
Oh gosh.
Okay, go again.
Cannon and dryer drum. Take 2. Go. You're on the side of the hill.
Oh, there we go. Oh. Okay.
Okay, right now we're going to a better hill, or better than that stump that we used over there.
Oh, God.
Be a tractor tire. That'd be safer.
Yeah.
Hey, no way.
Okay, here we go. Upside down. Where am I going?
Am I spinning?
Neighbor's probably looking out saying, what the heck?
That's stupid.
That was my, I guess you could say, video of me on the washing machine down a few hills. If you like the video, don't forget to give a like, a comment, subscribe. And comment down below if you think that was smart or dumb, and if you want me to do it again, because I sure will, because I'm going to keep that thing, because it seemed like I could do a lot of cool things with it. But I decided to do the dumbest thing I could think of right off the bat. This took me like 2 days to film, because I just now today, I recorded some of them yesterday, but then that new part today, I just now got over here, so I just recorded some videos over here now, so anyway, yeah, bye. Also, YouTube stats is coming.